Hey Bunny, welcome back to another video, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Honey and I do fun, authentic, and most importantly, educative videos. So if it is your first time here, I'm gonna give you a quick 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button. So here goes your 5 seconds. By the time the fan turns off, you should be subscribed. Okay? Are you subscribing? The fan is almost over. The fan is almost off. All right, cool. If you're subscribed, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and welcome to the family. If you are returning bunny, thank you so much for coming back to another video. You already know the drill by now. Do not forget to leave a like before you leave this video and leave your comment in the comment section below so that you can stand a chance to be our next comment of the video. So today's comment of the video goes out to this person here. Thank you so much for leaving your beautiful comment. We love you, we appreciate you. So all right, in today's video I just want us to basically chat. Like, I just want to sit and talk to y'all, but I didn't want it to be like a boring chit chat video while I clean or anything. Like, I just didn't want to be seated and talking to y'all in this one. It's a little bit personal, so y'all are just gonna enjoy my morning Sunday routine. There will be a second part to this video, so don't worry if you do like, just conversating with me during these videos, and if you actually genuinely just enjoy watching what I get up to in my day and stuff like that, then stay tuned for part 2 of this video. So this was basically a Sunday reset routine for me, and I just wanted to make this first part of this video a chit chat type of video where we just talk about things that we have been going through in life lately. Life has been tough this year, I'm not gonna lie. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. Obviously y'all are gonna enjoy the fun visuals of me basically getting my day started all the way to my afternoon of the day. And then the second part of this video, which will hopefully be up next, which is Thursday maybe, we'll see y'all. Life has been tough, okay? But yeah, so I wanted to talk about basically just how a space that you are living in is basically a reflection of how you feel on the outside. So most of the time, I know this is not like new news or something that you already don't know, or it's nothing new, okay? But in case it is to someone, whenever you're living in a space and your mental health or emotionally or physically you're just not doing well, this most of the time tends to show up in your space that you're living in. You tend to start noticing that you probably have a messy room all the time. For me, I just never want to be inside my bedroom when it's a mess. I would rather go sit in the living room. I would rather go sit in the kitchen. I'd just rather do anything else but just be in my bedroom, because that's where the mess mostly tend to be. But I've learned that sometimes it's okay to live in those moments. It's okay to not feel ready to tidy up your bedroom, as long as you just know that it's not forever, it's not gonna last forever. The moment that you feel like, okay, now I feel better and I can get up and I can clean my room, do that. Get up, clean your room. If it's maybe you just need to take care of yourself, do some skincare, shaving, and all of that kind of stuff, the girl the girly stuff. Sometimes when you're going through tough times in your life, and maybe you are depressed, or you have lost somebody that's really close to you, or you have lost a job or anything of that type, we tend to want to keep those things to ourselves, and that's okay. That's who you are. If that's how you want to deal with those emotions, go ahead, deal with them that way. But always remember to not live in that moment for too long, because once you do that, the year is never gonna sit around and wait for you. Okay, the time is never gonna sit around and wait for you. Time always goes. Okay, so don't live in sad moments for too long. If you need someone to speak to help you get through those emotions, find someone and speak to someone, just to not live in those moments for too long. Anyways, lately, or let me just say this year has been pretty tough for me, not gonna lie. Before this year, I would personally have said I've never lost anyone close to me, that close, besides just my aunt. And knock on wood, because we really, really, really hope that it doesn't happen again, because this year was tough, okay? And I don't see how my heart is gonna be able to just go through such emotions again. So fingers crossed it doesn't happen, at least not now. At least I'm just praying that God can just give me a break from all this emotions of just losing a loved ones. If you're someone that lost a loved one this year, I'm so sorry for your loss. You probably don't want to hear this, but trust me, it does get easier. But take your time to mourn, take your time to feel the emotions, live in the emotions, and just remember, time is not gonna stick around, time is not gonna wait for you. And as much as we want to give ourselves that moment to mourn and live with those emotions, and just feel the emotions, be angry at the world, be angry at God, just remember that time is never gonna sit around and wait for you. So you need to get to a point where you can pick yourself up and move on with your life, because unfortunately the truth is that you are still alive and you still have a life to live. So if you need to go see a psychologist, please do. If you need to go see a social worker, please do. At least you live in a country, if you are a Namibian, you live in a country where this type of services are available for you for free. So if you need to see a social worker, you can just go to any hospital. Those people are always there and they are always ready to listen and talk to you. But just do not live in the morning, in the depression for too long, to the point that it gets too hard to climb out of that hole. Okay, because it's definitely gonna be a hole. You're definitely gonna fall in that hole. It's just that you need to find the strength to create that ladder for yourself to climb out of that hole. That strength can come from your friends, your family. And if you don't have anybody like that, social workers are there for you. Just visit any hospital, the nearest hospital to you, and just get information about that. And yeah, that was sad, I know, but life has been sad, y'all. Okay, but yeah, that's just a short little rambling that I wanted to get out of the way about how life has been lately. Like, life has not been easy. Just say I've been tested, okay, over the past few months. But yeah, besides that, y'all, I've been creating content, so much content. I literally filmed the whole wedding vlog, and I just have so much content that I created, but I just can't figure out how to edit it for y'all. Even this video that I edited, I hate it. Okay, I hate it. That's why I just decided to do it like a voiceover and a chit chat, because I really hate the editing, the lighting. Like, oh gosh, it's like I don't understand how to use the lighting with the camera. Like, I have so much light, but it won't make sense. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out, and at this point I'm just like, why are you even using the camera to record your videos? Because like, I'll record these beautiful videos, then they'll look beautiful in the viewfinder on the camera, but like once I export the videos and put it on the laptop, they're just like, wait, what's going on? Why is the video so bright? Like, I'm so sorry, y'all, but I filmed at least like 5 videos and I've deleted all of them because I just can't stand the lighting. It's either too bright, it's too dark, it's just It just won't make sense, y'all. And I don't know if y'all can see it in this video or not. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But like, I'm so stressed with the editing. But being me, I don't give up. Yeah, I'm not somebody that gives up on things that easily. I'll figure it out. Okay, I don't know how, but I will definitely figure it out. So just stay tuned. There are gonna be better videos, better quality, all of that. Okay, it's gonna improve. Just stay tuned for the next video. Oh god. And I don't even, it's not even about the camera also, because it's just the editing, like the videos from the camera, the quality is so big that when I export it, like it's so big that I can't edit it from my phone because my phone does not have that much space to edit the videos. But yeah, we're learning, we're figuring it out. We're just trying to bring y'all the best content. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to talk about ironing, y'all. Ooh, I'm sure I'm not the only one that hates ironing. Like, I will do laundry, no problem. I will cook, no problem. Okay, give me those things. I'm that girl. I'll do it. Okay, wifey material. I'm just joking. But I love cooking and cleaning and doing laundry. But when it comes to ironing, that's the last thing that I wanna do. Like, I just don't like ironing. It's hard. It's too much. But yes, I do it because this other time I was that girl. Yes, I was that girl that wouldn't iron her bed sheets. Like, you wash, take it off the hanging line, put it on the bed. That was me. Until my mom came to live with me for like, I don't know, maybe it was like a month or so. And I don't know if she was just being nice or if she got bored. I don't want to say that because I really love my mom. That woman supports me so much, ne? But she basically was scolding me of, why do you put your bed sheets on the bed without ironing? Y'all know African moms. And how they are. But no, she was really angry that I just put my bed sheets on the bed like that without ironing. And I'm like, but like when you put it on the bed sheet, it stretches, so you don't really on the bed. It stretches, so you don't really get to see the wrinkles in the bed sheets. And then she was like, "Oh my goodness, honey, it's not about that. Like your bed sheets just stay clean longer." And I was like, "Wait, what? How does that make sense?" And then she's like, "Oh no, you're just lazy. Bring your bed sheets. Let me iron them for you." So she ironed my bed sheets for me, okay? And yeah, wow, like seriously, my bed sheets stayed clean for the whole month. Okay, I could have kept them in for 4 weeks if I wanted to, but that's just not me. I prefer to change my bed sheets out every other 2 weeks at least. But like after here having to iron my bed sheets, I kept those sheets in for 3 weeks and they were clean. And I was like, wow. And my bed sheets are white now. I do have some that are gray, but mostly I use the white ones. And those things were white and clean for 3 weeks. So since then, my life has been changed forever. I always iron my bed sheets before I put them on because they just stay clean for longer. I mean, I do still change them out every 2 weeks because I just prefer I prefer them that way. I just prefer it when they smell nice and clean and fresh. So every second weekend, I just change out my bed sheets because it's a preference. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section below how often you change out your bed sheets. Is it just me that changes out their bed sheets every 2 weeks? Maybe that's even too what? Maybe you need to change them out every weekend. I don't know, yeah. But I just prefer doing it every 2 weeks. Let me know in the comment sections how often y'all change out your bed sheets. Anyways, I just wanted to remind y'all of the giveaway, the 3K giveaway. We're so close to the 3K giveaway. I think we're like maybe 60 subscribers away. If you are wondering how you can enter the 3K giveaway, the information will be in the description box below. Basically, you just have to be subscribed to the channel, follow me on Instagram at Adulting with Honey, and then follow my business page at Bunny's Lens. And the winner will basically get to choose any of the services that Bunny's Lens provides, which is makeup, photography, or graphic designs. So you get to pick any of those, and it will be 3 giveaway winners. So if you have not entered the giveaway yet, what are you waiting for? But yeah, please do enter the giveaway. Subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's just chat about life, and let's just chat about everything and anything, because I just love catching up with y'all. And always remember that life is never gonna sit around and wait for you, okay? It's okay to feel whatever you are feeling. Live in those moments, feel those emotions. Be mad if you have to be mad, but just remember to not live in those moments for too long, so long that you can't get out of there, okay? If you need help, there's a lot of people that you can reach out to. Visit any of our hospitals. They have social workers there. They are for free. You do not have to pay a dime, okay? You can just get these services for free, and that's the country that you live in. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watched until the end, I love you all so much. Do not click out, okay? Watch the rest of the video. But I love you all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
If I do, it'll be Michael. Keeps you spicy, tipping trainy. Yellow bone chick look like K Donnie. Freaking the sheets, freak on them beats. Niggas been hooked since big old free. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if they come with the dishes. I don't rock shit if they come in his name. I'm not your better yet, so don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting the freak on them. All of these niggas is begging to hang. Cause my bitch a young thug and I'm the bitch on me. Boy, I ain't finna read all in text, don't know what it said, but I sent that's a bet. Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need more respect. It was the money for me, ayy. He gon' go dummy for me, ayy. He ain't that cute, but he could dress, his to protect for me, ayy. It was the need for him, the way that it squeezed for him, ayy. He done fucked a whole lot of bitches, but it was the mean for him, ayy. Y'all wanna take me out so bad, I make all of y'all hoes so mad. Hoes went about them big ass teeth, hear me out smell still going outside. Hoes got jokes, but don't never wanna stand up. Hoes got balls, but you know I got handles. Damn, I must be Olivia Pope, cause y'all keep putting me in all of these scandals. He wanna hit one more time, I ain't pretty. Don't need no closure, my diamonds got clarity. Telling his new bitch that he don't do Instagram. Really, he hate when he's scrolling, see pictures. Like a new show, all these niggas is into me. Funny how Bessie turned into my enemy. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see.
Say that again.
Bad bitch, I could be fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. Bad bitch, I could be